If, as an admin, you want to create an account on Avalo from the marketing website, when you click on sign up, you would be taken to this page where you can see that you will have to select an account type, whether you're an individual tutor or you're a tutoring business. So, suppose as an admin, if you select individual tutor, you would be asked to enter your email ID. Suppose you've entered your email ID, then you click on verify email, then a verification code would be sent to your email that you have entered. So you can go to your email, check the code, and add the code here. Once you've added the code, you'll click on continue. Then you would be asked to set up a password for your account. Once you've entered a password, then you click on continue. Now your account has been created. So here you would be asked whether you want to choose calendar, invoicing, or PayPal. These are the three products that we offer. So if you click on continue, you would be taken to the subscription page of calendar. So here you can see that there are three types of subscription for calendar: Explorer, Builder, and Achiever. Since this is for individual tutors, these three are the subscription tiers, and depending on whichever subscription you want, that can be taken up. Below, you can see that there is a table for comparing all the plans. So you can see what are the features that is being offered for the product, and with each plan, what is the usage limit. So you can go through this, and once you've selected a plan, you will be taken to the review and payment page where you will enter your card details. If you have any promotion or discount code, you can apply the code here. And here you can see that the items which are present in your cart. If you want to add more products, you can just click on this add product, and then you can add another product with a different subscription. And if you want to make changes in your existing subscription plan that you have chosen, you can click on modify. Then you will be taken to this page again. Now you can select a different plan if you wish for. Now here you'll enter your card details. Once the details are entered, you can check the summary, and then you click on start trial. Now you can see that the subscription has been successful. You click on continue. You would be asked basic details to set up your account. Then you'll have to enter first name, last name, and stuff. So suppose you've entered this, you can enter a phone number, then your business name, then your business type. And once you've entered all the details, you'll click on this button which says start using Avalo. Once you click on this, since the company name exists, we can choose a different one. Now we click on the button. As you can see, your account has been created and you're taken to the calendar homepage. So this is how you can sign up to the platform.